So today we are going to do a science experiment called the saltwater stunt. The ingredients for this experiment that you're going to need is 2 wide-mouth jars, 1 stirring spoon, 2 fresh raw eggs, any type of salt, I don't know, never done this before, and just fresh water. So the first step. 2 minutes. First step.
Fill a wide-mouth jar with water and stir in salt until no more will dissolve.
That'll do.
Now you stir until no more salt will dissolve. Okay, I think that's good. Carefully fill the other jar halfway with fresh water.
It's working. It's not touching any of the sides. It's not bad. I was right.
What is with that salt?
Well, this was still a fail. What was supposed to happen is the egg was supposed to float on the salt water instead of the fresh water. But the science behind it is the salt water is more dense than the fresh water.
And scientists, salt water is denser than fresh water and therefore more buoyant. The egg is denser than the fresh water and more foamy, and it is less dense than the salt water on which it does float.